In this video, we'll demonstrate how to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. But before we dive into the main content, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to protect your WhatsApp chats, and please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now let's get started. Securing your WhatsApp chats is crucial for maintaining your privacy. Here's how you can lock and hide your WhatsApp chats. Open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone, ensuring that it's up to date. Navigate to the specific conversation that you wish to lock and hide. Once in the chat, open the user's profile by tapping their name at the top left. Scroll down a bit and tap on Chat Lock. Activate the Lock this chat with fingerprint option. You'll need to confirm with your fingerprint to lock the chat. That's it. The selected chat is now locked and hidden. You can access your locked chats in the Chats tab by tapping View to open locked chats. To access locked chats, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Swipe down on the chat feed to open the Locked Chats section. Tap Locked Chats. Use your fingerprint to unlock the locked chats. The locked chat section in WhatsApp will be locked automatically when you return to the main chat screen. Here, you'll find all your locked conversations. If you want to remove a chat from the locked chat section, follow these steps. Tap on their name at the top left. Scroll down and tap Chat Lock. Turn off the Lock this chat with fingerprint option. Confirm using your fingerprint one more time. That's it. The chat conversation has been removed from the locked chats. So, these are the steps to lock and hide your WhatsApp chats. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found it useful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more informative videos, please visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.